Kawayan Marilao in pink, Zamboanga in white. Tip going to the side of Zamboanga. Mosqueda, one of the holdovers para dito sa Sikat, alongside Paul Turco and Arthur Calisay. Calisay likes that shot from the corner, and that is exactly why he hits a free.
You know, this is what we were talking about. A lot of play the big, and Arthur Calisay is one of those guys that can really interchange a lot of positions.
De La Virgen umatake. The floater is up and in. Free. Naive up top. Off the bounce, puts it up and in. Tough shot from Robbie Naive.
One of the most underrated things about Robbie Naive is his body. This
Paeng Ari, hanap ng papasahan, nahanap si Chino Mosqueda. Down the middle, floats it up and in.
I like the offense of Zamboanga. Very simple, not a lot of deep action.
De La Virgen, pasa palabas, Serrano. Hit a lot of threes last time they were here, and that continues.
I think kahit saan titira at titira.
Mosqueda, balik kay Paul Turco. Shot fake, goes up over his former teammate in Benil against Mickey Corteza. He scores.
That's been a good off. They expecting a close one here in Cainta.
9-7. Are, derecho, puts it in. That will count. Plus a foul, free throw coming up para dito kay Paeng.
And I'm looking at
Palingit is in the building.
grabe naman ang mga tao natin dito today on a Monday.
Yes. Miranda hitting a three-pointer. Dapat abangan. We might just see the debut later on. Ang nag-iisang pambansang Ginoo. Meanwhile, ito, kasing ganda ng kanyang married life, yung tiyang yun. Well, bago kasal to si Chino Mosqueda. Kaya
okay. Congrats, Chino. His brother will be playing later on. Si Sidney Mosqueda will be playing for Marikina, so it's going to be a Mosqueda day. A lot of teams really are excited in getting him.
At dahil ng binanggit mo, dikit pa ang ating laban dito. 14-13, nice drop and nice cut. Backdoor from Agent Miranda.
From Benil to JRU, what a...
To get this 4-point lead. Extra pass leads to this wide open free on the left corner pocket. Galing dito kay Arthur Calisay.
You know, Arthur Calisay might be one of the more underrated.
Rebound, ending up to Jimboy Pasturan, who will reset their offense. Stepping back for three. The high arcing shot is good from downtown.
So, ubusin na.
It's really a far cry from what we saw nung preseason game nila 2 months ago. Kaya na nga, isa pang tres galing naman kay Michael Are.
You know, I shot around earlier kanina before this game. Parehas sa team na to.
Alam mo, nakita ng mga tao yung story ko. Nagsushoot ka kanina.
Ay, meron ba?
Baka isipin nila nagsisinungaling ka eh. But you know, seriously though, I mean, that goes to show you how they prepared mightily in the offseason. Talking about these two teams as Preco scores in transition.
Well, one of the matchups I'm really excited about is Coach John Cia versus Coach Tantan Banal. Yeah. These are two coaches that puts a lot of premium in their control. And you see
Tolentino, top of the key, hand off to Jimboy Pasturan. Uy, nakalusot! Rolling it in. How about that from Jimboy?
as Coach Mike was saying, the last game, there's so much options to that zoom action. Jimboy Pasturan able to cancel out that screen. But on the other end, 5 seconds into the shot clock, pangatlong tres na ni Arthur Calisay yan sa larong.
Kawayan Marilao not happy on that defensive possession. Sumugot si Naive. The hang time and the finish.
Both teams are playing good defense, both of the teams.
But now you're seeing them, they're playing like a well-oiled machine, at least here at the first few minutes of the first half.
And one thing I also noticed is that they enjoy helping each other out. They actually complement each other in terms of their attitudes and their game. So,
actually, yung unang-unang laro nila ng preseason, ito yung kalaban nila nung Muntinlupa pa sila doon. And Muntinlupa got off to a skip pass. Apolonio, another 3-point attempt, this time off the mark. Rebound nakuha ni Preku. Pasa palabas kay Argente. His free is good!
I want to try to analyze the rebounds of Felix Aprico, pero wala. Lahat yun talagang instincts lang eh.
Describe the season in one word, expansion. Not just in terms of the roster, but in growth. Sabay-sabay sila as he continues to evolve alongside his players. So expect May Kawayan to come in quick, hungry, and quietly build.
Really, just picking up from where they left off, they closed out their preseason on a really high note, defeating Ilagan Isabela. Who could not forget that game-winning jumper by AJ Miranda? That was on this building.
Yeah.
Buti yata umabot sila semis. Lalo sila kila Chris Chu, Xavier, Joseph Yo. Wala daw si Coach John, kaya di sila nag-champion. Kailangan finish at the rim. Felicilda. Almost, not quite, but there to put it back up and in was Paul Turco.
Sometimes you're just too quick for your own good.
Oo nga eh. Tatanungin nga sana, napanood ba yung mga pelikula ni Bunel Balico?
Oo naman.
Diba? Classic
Oo naman.
yan.
Classic.
Pumihit at nakashoot sa floater. Ito si AJ Miranda. Ganun, possession arrow lang yung basehan. So, ngayon, they rectified that with that rule. At yun na nga, ang nangyari, they win the jump ball and Robbie Naive dire-diretso for two. Nawala sa kanyang bola, Serrano, bounce pass to Miranda, in stride. Nice passing, Serrano switching hands, but there to clean up the miss was AJ Miranda.
In the discard,
8 respectively. Third quarter, opening up the possession, Zamboanga down by 9. Mosqueda off the bounds, the teardrop will go in.
well, that's really their strength. If you can rotate.
And AJ Miranda. Swing pass, Pasturan, libre sa tres, yes!
That extra pass, that one more is really very important. Big hands coming
Out.
from Adrian.
Outlet to Corteza. Teardrop again! Lista mo na! That was from 20 feet. Itong malakas. Apreku snares down his 8th rebound. Naive, what a look inside! The pass, the finish, completed by Miggy Corteza.
No, he had to help a friend. Cuts through the middle, was able to find an open shot, and that connection from college all the way to the pros is still successful.
If you need a basket, you just have to call Paengare who hits.
Baka pwede pa siyang ma-line up dito.
Pwede nga eh, kung tutusin eh. Paengare, tough shot, wow! Defense draped all over him, but still manages to connect.
Yun yung mga times sa mapapailing ka na lang as a defender. You've done everything you can, yet you were still able to make a basket. Just nothing you can do.
But this side of the floor is where Zamboanga is having trouble with. Corteza getting a layup. Umikot si Paengare, nasundutan, recovers, he will score. And got pushed from behind by Felix Apreku.
Ayan, this is miscommunication turnover para dito sa Marilao.
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Strong move to the basket. Inan Fornillos cuts the lead. Kaulit ng May Kawayan Marilao. Jason Straight lays it up and in off that gorgeous feed from Jason Apolonio.
I always love watching.
10 on their shot clock. Muntik ng maagaw. Argente recovers. Another foul, another basket for the Gems. Argente will juke to the line for one more.
This guy, as well as the Nieto brothers, am I correct?
Yes, the Ildefonso brothers as well.
Ang hirap palang kalaban ng mga taga-Kainta.
Kung nagbuo sila ng team dito at puro homegrown, pwede. 65-55 after that made free by Zamboanga. Nice screen provided by Straight. Na libre si Emeterio sa tres. Yes, sir!
Looks like that is going to be the role of Emeterio. When he released that,
Mike Are. Under 2 minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Felicilda, pinasa kay Santa Ana, nakalusot. Getting past his defender and laying it up and in.
that's a strength of Jordan Santa Ana.
Agaw na naman para sa May Kawayan Marilao, but the counter steal by Zamboanga. Felicilda floats it up, puts it in.
There's really the elite guards I've been talking about. You sub out Paengare, you put in.
To bail them out, way off target from 3. Reg Cabat says his feet, fires. Can get that one to fall. Santa Ana there, puts it back in. What a spark off the bench. Still a lot of time left in this ball game. Great defense. Walling up there was Naive. But nobody checking on Kalisay, who hits another 3 to cut the lead down to 7.
It's actually
Si Paeng at si Janjan. Kaya lang, numbers for Mekawayan Marilao as MJ takes advantage. John Mahari is down. Isay, the unit for Coach John. Cornelos settles for a free. Bokit.
one guy there.
Pass outside. Corteza. Great challenge by Turco, but nobody boxing out. De La Virgen, who puts it back up and in.
Quiet 7 points for MJ De La guy on the side of the pink, getting a lot of rebounds.
Corteza, gumulong palabas yung kanyang tira. Apolonio, another one. Banks it in, high off the glass.
Gotta credit the extra effort coming from Robbie Naive. Kept that.
The court. Now, game-wise, very clear ang mindset niya. Transition is key. It's their primary game plan. And for Paeng, it's all about pushing the pace, creating opportunities, and turning defense into instant offense. Quick injury update, possible bleeding. So the medical team immediately advised him to take a short break for assessment and cleanup. The good news, it doesn't look too serious at the moment, and there's still a strong possibility that he returns to the game. Back to you guys.
They need to make their move immediately. Bumawi naman si Paul Turco laban kay Miggy Corteza.
He wanted that basketball. He knew that he had the size advantage.
Take it. Apolonio left open and he makes them pay.
And that's a Jason Apolonio. I know whenever you leave him open, that guy will take it.
We haven't really seen kung anong type of lineup meron sila, and then Marikina, who also had a solid preseason as these laps. Ito si Felix Apreco, and thus guiding and helping Mekawayan Marilao Gems to this very impressive debut and a victory over a very game Zamboanga Sikat.
At them, in terms of running, he got the numbers, and more importantly, the numbers really gave them that edge in getting this lead and eventually the victory para sa kanilang team.
Best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Jem Miranda, 16 points, 10 rebounds, 6 assists. Just 4 shy of a triple-double, and leading the Mekawayan Marilao Gems